Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide all my posts on Facebook PC. We start by logging in with our Facebook profile on PC, then click on the account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy and then Settings. Here we are going to click on the Publications category. Then, in the option Who can see your future posts, we can choose the limitation of the audience that can see your future publications. We may also limit the audience for past posts. You will be able to limit posts shared with friends of friends and as public by sharing them only with friends. Of course, tagged people and their friends will still be able to see them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.